Hi my dear children, good evening to all. Welcome to my channel Priyas Chemistry Vlog. Today I am going to start a new vlog of Standard 9 Chapter 1 Science Part 2. In my previous video of Standard 9 Chapter 1 Science, we have discussed about the basic introduction, physical nature of matter and the state of matter. Now in this video, we will discuss about the Part 2 of Chapter 1 Standard 9 Science, that is matter inner surroundings. So without delay, let us start matter inner surrounding. Before that, we have to know some basic characteristic particle of matter. Okay. So first one is they have some space between them and they are continuously moving and they attract each other and they have space between them. What is that? The particles of one type of matter get into the space of between particles of other. That is, there is enough space between them. Then come to they are continuously moving. Particles of matter possess kinetic energy. What is kinetic energy? We'll discuss in further video. If temperature increases, then kinetic energy will also increase. That the intermixing of particles of two different types of matter on their own is diffusion. On heating, the diffusion becomes faster. Then come to they attract each other. The particles have force acting between them. This force keeps the particle together. This force of attraction varies in different matter. Now let us solve some question. Okay. So question number 1. Which of the following are matter? So in between them, the answer is almonds, lemon, water, chair, air, smell of perfume is the correct answer. These all are the matter. Then come to question number 2. Give reason for the following observation. Okay. The smell of hot sizzling food reaches you several meters away. But to get to the smell from cold food, we have to go close. What is the possible answer? Because in the first case, the kinetic energy is very high because temperature is more than the kinetic energy is more. But in second case, the temperature is low and kinetic energy is also less. Therefore, we have to go close. So understand? Then come to question number 3. A diver is able to cut through water in swimming pool. This property of matter does this observation show? What is the possible answer? The particle of matter has space between them. Then come to question number 4. What are the characteristics particle of matter? We already discussed about. And the answer is they are continuously moving and they attract each other. So student, you can pause this video, note the answer, or you can take the screenshot of this slide. If you have any doubt, you have raised your question in my comment box, I will clarify it. Okay. Then come to the state of, there are 3 state of matter. You all know there are 3 state of matter. That is solid, liquid and gas, which you know about in your previous section. But student, you know there is also another form of matter is called plasma, which will learn in our future class. Then come to some physical and chemical properties of solid, liquid and gas. First come to solid. Solid has a definite shape, a distance boundary, fixed volume and negligible compressibility. They have a tendency to maintain their shape when subject to outside force. Solid may break under the force, but they are rigid. Then come to liquid. Liquid have no fixed shape, have a fixed volume. They flow and change shape. They are not rigid and are called fluid. The rate of diffusion is higher than the solid. Due to this, liquid particles move freely and have a greater space between them as compared to solid state gas. They are highly compressible as compared to solid and liquid. Due to this large volume of gas can be compressed into small cylinder and transported easily. And the diffusion rate is high than solid and liquid due to high speed of particles and large space between them and the pressure force exerted per unit area. So student, you can take screenshot of this slide and if you have any doubt, you can raise your question in comment box. Okay. Then comes to that is a figure. Figure 1.5 is A, B, C. This is solid, liquid and gas. So ABC shows the magnified schematic picture of three states of matter. The motion of the particle can be seen and compared in the three states of matter. A is solid and its motion B is liquid and the C is gas. Okay. Then come to some question. The mass per unit volume of a substance is called density. So density is mass by volume. So RS in order to increasing density. Air exerted from chimney, honey, water, jugs, curtain and iron. So the possible answer is air exhausted from chimney, then cotton, then water, then honey, then jug and last one is iron. Then come to question number 2a. You have to tabulate the difference in the characteristic state of matter. So here I have tabulated for this the property. First one is property, shape, volume, compressibility, fluidity, kinetic energy and density. So solid you have to understand solid have a definite shape, definite volume, definite compressibility, fluidity is known, low kinetic energy and high density. But liquid and gas have a definite indefinite shape and indefinite shape. Gas also have a indefinite shape. Liquid have a definite volume but gas have indefinite volume. Liquid have very low compressibility but gas have high compressibility. Liquids have fluidity, flows. Gas also flows. Kinetic energy in liquid is medium, in gas is high. And in density, liquid have medium and the gas have low. Okay. Then come to question number 2b. Comment upon the following: rigidity, compressibility, fluidity, filling of a gas container, shape, kinetic energy and density. So possible answer is rigidity, that is solids are rigid, and compressibility, gases are highly compressible. Fluidity, gases and water are generally flows. Filling of a gas container, gases fill the entire container. Shape, solids have a definite shape. Liquids take the shape of the container. Gases have no definite shape. Kinetic energy. The kinetic energy of particle increases from solid to gas. And density. Density is mass per unit volume and is varies with the state of matter. Okay. Then come to question number 3. Give the reason. Okay, the possible answer of A is due to high kinetic energy and B is due to gas particle colliding with walls of container. And C have the answer, it has a definite shape, definite volume. And D, the answer of D is since air particles are far apart, they allow easy movement. Where solid particles are tightly packed, making it difficult to move through. Then come to question number 4. And the possible answer of question number 4 is ice has a lower density than water due to its crystal structure, which has more empty space than the liquid state. This lower density causes the ice float on the water. So student, you can take screenshot of this slide or note down by pausing my video. Okay. So you can take screenshot. If you have any doubt, you can raise your question in my question box. If you like my video, you can like, share or subscribe my video. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Thank you. Bye bye.